Hello, my name is Denis Traskunov, and I work at Tableau Software. At Tableau, we're all about gaining new insights from data you might already have. Do you have some charts or plots stored away in PNGs or JPEGs? Today, I'll be showing a new way to bring data into Tableau from images. This tool is called WebPlotDigitizer. It is based on an open source project by Ankit Rohatgi. It is mentioned on the community portal as one of the 77 web data connectors created by data enthusiasts just like you. Launch Tableau. Enter. Let's bring some interesting data in. This summer felt particularly hot here in the state of Washington. Has the temperature been creeping up? Surely the government is keeping some records. The National Climatic Data Center has records of Washington mean annual temperature. Looks like the average really has been creeping up. But the data is in a picture. I want to look at it in Tableau. Not a problem, just drag and drop it. We can easily calibrate the axis so the data is meaningful. We're going to select 2 points on the x-axis and 2 on the y-axis and enter their values. We'll use the automatic mode. Just accept the defaults for now and click Run. Great, some advanced image processing algorithms have figured out that the most common color used in this image is deep blue. So we can see we have a few stray points and we can easily remove them by clicking. Looks good. Let's go back to Tableau now. We have our data. We can use the Show Me feature to look at the data. Now I want to go back and use the more noisy annual data points. Fortunately, the data connector stores the image inside the Tableau workbook, so I can go back and extract more data later. Edit data source. Edit connection. We're going to need a new dataset, so we'll go to the menu and select Manage Datasets. Add a new one. Name it Mean Annual Temperature. Use the automatic mode. Select black color this time. Set the algorithm to blob detector. Click Run. And looks like I don't really feel like clicking all these points, so I'm just going to mask them out. Just drag this over the area where the data points are. And remove this stray here. and return to Tableau. We have 4 more data series here in Tableau, so we can use the dual axis feature to plot them all in the same view. Dual axis, dual axis. The scales don't line up, so we can synchronize the y-axis and on the x-axis. Looking pretty good. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words. I say a Tableau visualization is worth around 10,000. My name is Denis Traskunov, and I work at Tableau Software.